Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change Snapchat AI gender. Let's have a look now. Open your Snapchat app. Once you are here, tap on the chat icon at bottom. Then it will show your My AI on the top. After you go to this page, on the top bar, tap on where it says My AI. Then this interface will open up. On this page, tap on where it says Customize. Here you will get two options, Avatar and Outfits. Click on Avatar, then you will get to choose your gender. If you tap on the first option, then it will be female. And if you tap on the second option, then it will be male. Now choose the one you prefer. Now you will have to customize your AI. Choose their skin tone, hair color, hairstyle, and so on. Once you go through all these options, click on the Save button at top right corner. After that, your gender will be changed. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.